Sure.
I was trying to record this video for the last 1.5 year. एक तेरे को अगर याद ही होगा तो योर जर्नी समर इंटर्नशिप बोले नहीं मेरे को फाइनल जॉब लगने के बाद एक ही
I remember.
So ma'am, today now we want to talk about your summer internship abroad. ठीक है. Before we go into that, I want to know कि वहाँ आपका 2 साल आपका क्या हुआ वहाँ पर, and खाना पीना everything was paid by the company. So what was your factor in your summer internship?
So summer internship, so hardcore operations profile on the shop floor. Metal is a Hot Wheels या Barbie manufacturing company है. So I was selected for the Malaysia location, Penang है. So first and foremost I thought okay, because India में क्या होता है, सब फैक्ट्री का सोचते हो तो you think about कि शायद सारे male workers होंगे. To my surprise, 95% of the population, the worker class I'm saying,
Okay.
in Malaysia factory were women, irrespective that it is
Super.
Yeah. So कोई सोच रहा होगा ये क्या point है, but I'm sure for the girls watching it would make a huge difference when you are suddenly in a factory setup and lots of women are there. You feel confident कि अच्छा ठीक है, it's a normal thing. So then second, yes, जो एक even as an intern, the kind of respect that I got, right, I have met with the VP of Mattel, so who's the vice president of Malaysia and Thailand, both the plants. I have interacted with him almost on a daily basis, and that puts a lot of onus and lots of responsibility, and you feel abhi I'm not sure, but I've heard a lot from my friends कि nobody asked them कि अरे कौन intern क्या हो रहा है. कुछ companies में ऐसा होता है, but luckily in my case I was being asked कि क्या काम कर रहे हो, क्या हो रहा है कि नहीं. So that makes you feel हाँ मेरा work important है. ऐसा ही कोई नहीं है कि just आए घूम के चले गए. Which is a side story कि हाँ when you are in a good location you get to roam around also once the work is done.
And how was that? By the you were paid, you were staying in their accommodation, company accommodation, or you staying in hotels where you were staying?
Sir, the accommodation was provided by the company, and I was एक stipend भी pay होता है, so that's not a problem.
And खाना पीना सब free for 2 months.
No, I'll not say free. So वहाँ पे जैसे inside the organization वो एक subsidized price होता है.
Okay, right.
But
जैसा होता है.
हाँ, for me, I am a vegetarian, so I had to cook for myself घर पे.
अरे यार ये बहुत फाइट. Abroad, all those who are veg बाहर जा रहे हो बेटा तुम्हारी वाट लगने वाली है. You can't eat घास फूस every day. घास उनके लिए और veg में घास फूस.
But it's like if you want it, you have to put in that extra. So you would cook it. वो ज़्यादा कुछ इतना matter नहीं करेगा. Eventually जो exposure मिल रहा है, if you really want to kick it just because तुम खुद नहीं बना सकते तो then I don't know. I am not that kind at least.
True. So how much was the stipend in the next question, if you don't mind telling us? Otherwise you can say no to the question. I'm fine. We're fine with it.
So maybe I'm not sure if I can disclose.
It's better not ask. See guys, we cannot ask anything which can be later on objected by the colleges. तो अच्छा अब ये बात करते हैं मैम कि how you got into the company. Yeah. So first of all, how easy it is to get into an international placement from the college, and especially the college like V school. Like यार अगर I'm अहमदाबाद वाला going abroad make easy से, अरे उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, I'm अहमदाबाद का था. But Velinker से abroad जाना, so there are two things involved. There's an effort from the college side, the companies are coming to campus, and there's effort from your side as well. So we want to know from that point of view, what was your effort and how this happened, how this thing happened.
So sir, first of all, definitely college का effort है, because अगर उनके contacts नहीं होंगे तो no matter how much effort I put मुझे नहीं मिलेगा, right? So college का definitely effort, and Velinker, not just because I am an alumni of Velinker, but हाँ, it does provide you a lot of opportunities. Ultimately, आप कुछ लोग ऐसे को भी मिलेंगे who will not be happy with the college. कुछ IM से भी होंगे जो खुश नहीं होंगे. आप भी JB से पढ़े, so you can relate. There are students जो नहीं खुश हैं. Ultimately, it depends on the students. And then, of course, 700, 500 plus का batch है Velinker का, and we were only 13 who went for international internship. So 13 by 700 or 500, you can calculate कि कितना effort या. I mean,
सिंपल यार, अगर जिसका हो गया वो कहेगा कि कॉलेज अच्छा है, जिसका नहीं हो बोलेगा नहीं कॉलेज, so obviously always that thing goes into the hand. And okay, so we have this question, how to be in the top 10% of the batch. Okay, now we're combining that with my second question, ki how, what effort you put in so that you could crack that job.
okay. ये internship का है या सिर्फ job?
Internship in general, it's common for everyone. I think the placement
Okay.
is common for both the things, as per I think. आप लेकिन
yes. So first thing, जैसे मेरा 10th and 12th का स्कोर बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन मेरा इंजीनियरिंग का स्कोर was an average score. So I knew that I wanted to bridge that gap. So मेरा PGDM में I tried to improve my score as much as I can. First and foremost thing. And there's usually ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you have to keep a 10 out of 10 to get into jobs, but एक अच्छा score रहता है, so that way you can also justify it. ये ऐसा नहीं, for engineering I'm sure a lot of us didn't know what we were doing. Family pressure था या peer pressure था, जो भी था, we did it. But when you are doing a second degree, be the college that you would be interviewing for or the company which you would eventually interview for, they would look whether you are clear in your head what you're doing in your life. At least second degree पे तो वो ये देखेंगे. And how you can showcase that, abhi मान लो let's say MBA में फिर से your score is average or below average, competition इतना ज़्यादा है, whom they would prefer, एक जो consistency दिखा रहा है या at least maybe एक downfall के बाद जिसने थोड़ा improve किया. So मैं ऐसे नहीं कहूँगी मेरा above average score था, but a decent score it was, and I tried to improve because I was very much focused on showing an improvement in my score, first and foremost thing. Secondly, about जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं अलग अलग कॉलेजेस में, उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करो. सो उनसे क्या होता है, यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग टू नो हाउ टू यूटिलाइज. जो भी आप, जैसे हम सिर्फ क्लासरूम में पढ़ते हैं तो वी डोंट गेट टू नो केस स्टडीज कैसे सॉल्व करना है. एंड अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनी how to solve this, बहुत सारे नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं, मैं इसको सॉल्व कैसे करूं. दैट्स व्हेन यू कम टू रियलाइज कि जो फाइनेंस या ऑपरेशन सब में जो पढ़ा है उसको एक साथ कैसे यूज करना है. वो चीज एक आपको बेनिफिट देती है. एंड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर माय इंटर्नशिप, सो जैसे लॉट ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ ऑपरेशंस, मैंने लकीली सप्लाई चेन में काम किया हुआ था, तो इट हेल्प मी. बट आई वुड नॉट, देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनका मेरे से भी ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था, but maybe they were not able to put up, या जो भी है. So yeah.
Right. Okay, next question is how your academic records are important during summer internship and final placement. There are 4 academic records. You have your 10th, 12th, graduation and college marks.
Yes.
So what is your say on that?
मेरे समर इंटर्नशिप पे आई वुड नॉट से मेरा स्कोर का ज्यादा कुछ इफेक्ट हुआ. उस टाइम पे जो मेरा ऑपरेशंस नॉलेज था एंड मेरा जो फर्स्ट ईयर में जो कंसिस्टेंटली परफॉर्मेंस था, दैट मैटर्ड मोर देन माय 10th 12th और इंजीनियरिंग एनीथिंग फॉर माय समर इंटर्नशिप आई एम सेइंग. देन फॉर माय जॉब अगेन, स्कोर्स, I would not say this was my first interview. मैंने इससे पहले एक दो दिए थे कॉलेज में, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में बोल रही हूँ. So there are few companies जिनका they are very clear, they want a person with a good academic record. They would not even select you or shortlist you for interview. So this job role, they were very clear, they wanted a person just who had versatile experience, and they picked me. And scores pe they were not focusing that much, but they had a clear justification from me that मेरा जो improvement था it was there. ऐसा नहीं था कि एक downfall ही था.
Sorry, how much is the 10 12th marks, if you don't mind? 70 था कि 80 था 10 12th graduation?
10th 89 था, then 12th 84 था, इंजीनियरिंग मेरा 67 था.
चलो घर चलो, बहुत बड़े हो गए तो.
छोटे हो गए,
कम हो गया तो बराबर हो गया, नहीं तो मैं चलो जान दो यार, अपने से बहुत आगे मैडम. तो ठीक है, तो मैं इंजीनियरिंग में 70 is a decent number. That is not a bad number. It's a good number only. So again you said that's not important for your summer internship. That's not
no.
How you perform in the college is more important.
Yes.
तो कॉलेज में आके जितने पाप किए सब साफ हो जाएंगे अगर कॉलेज में जाके परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा दिखा दिया तो.
Yes. एक मिनिमम क्राइटेरिया रहता है, अगर वो आप क्लियर कर रहे हो तो कोई इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
Right. Okay. Now, how easy it is, how competitive it is to get a foreign summer placement from the college, because that's the kind of a cream of the college. And one thing I'd like to add, every year from V school, one seat taking the student get the job abroad. आपका सीट में वो V से नाम था, उसका नाम याद है? I made you talk to him as well. वो लड़का था, V
Yes, my
कुछ नाम था,
senior.
your senior batch.
हाँ.
He also went abroad. He went to China for the same company. For China गया था, and he went to Malaysia. मेरे को नाम उसका याद नहीं आ रहा. So one student from CET become a general secretary. GS की पोस्ट में आप भी थे ना शायद? You also post of GS की नहीं था तुम्हारा? GS
नहीं मैं नहीं थी GS.
GS नहीं था, ठीक है, तो आपका यहाँ पे अच्छा हुआ. What should be the ideal score, academic score for a good placement from the college point of view? अमित का क्वेश्चन है.
जैसे CGPA out of 10 रहता है, so try to maintain around 7.5, तो वो एक decent रहेगा. Most of the most timing से 7.5 रखोगे तो कहीं पे कोई error problem नहीं आएगा कि इसमें eligible नहीं हो. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि काफी जो बिग फोर्स हैं या और जो कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज हैं, स्पेशली IIT आई वुड से, दे अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स उनका एक क्राइटेरिया रहता है. सो unnecessary when you can starting से efforts डाल के you can maintain a score, तो क्यों नहीं करना है उसको? क्यों एकदम lower point पे रखना है कि कल को you are not even eligible to sit for interview? That's it. अभी जो past में है you cannot do anything about it, but right now you can improve.
And in college, in school days and college, 60 I think that is decent.
Yes, वो 60 का एक criteria होता है. That's perfect.
Superb. So we have the next question. Is KT going to affect your MBA career? No, not at all. KT का I think engineering या graduation का KT, no one even come to know about that कि तुम्हारी KT थी.
Finally एक certification मिल गया ना, you done with your engineering, that's it.
Exactly. In my IT company, I work in a banking project. Ashish Singh, will that help me in landing up a job in banking sector after MBA?
It would depend on how you pitch that. सिर्फ जाके
major advantage, but yeah, it will help you.
It will help. GD और उससे PI के पहले processes में तो कुछ नहीं. It would not depend on that. But PI में how do you put that? आप सिर्फ transactional बता दो. जैसे सर का एक वीडियो है, do you talk like a manager or not? मैंने उसको starting से, even when I interviewed for Wellinger, वो मैंने उसको by heart ही कर लिया था. So at that point of time, I think that would matter.
Right. Harsh Patel एक बार copy paste मार रहा है भाई हमारा. With your views on MS and PGDM at V School, will both of them end up with the same job or better job? I think same opportunity. Please, what's your
MMS and PGDM you meant to say?
Yeah.
Same opportunity.
Same opportunities. Do they
common
your PGDM or MMS? ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. It's called.
No.
It's common only. And do any companies come specifically कि नहीं हमें PGDM चाहिए, MS चाहिए या ये चाहिए, ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना?
नहीं सर, open to all ही होता है.
Open to all.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
Umbrella, all umbrella. Even now, all the V school also, all the colleges में सब यही चल रहा है. Okay, superb. I worked in a marketing company for 5 years. बिच्छू का खेल, रिवेल्ड, प्रीमियम, हाई-फाई, इतना ज़्यादा कोई पेज मार देते मैं पढ़ने भी नहीं हो पा रहा. I'm already a PG student in life sciences. Will that count it be as a plus point? Okay. Plus तो कुछ नहीं है, नुकसान भी कुछ नहीं है. There's no major advantage of that. और मैम कोई स्टोरी बताओ यार उसके बारे में, आपका अब्रॉड के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, कुछ ऐसा, कुछ आपको कोई और अच्छा कुछ लगा हो, which can motivate everyone to look forward for that. For example, if I tell you my story, when I was abroad, for me the company used to pay us 35 pound every day for food. कि तू जा जितना खाना खा के आ जा, 35 पाउंड का तुम्हारा वो है. And 100 रुपीज का पाउंड at that time, so 35-3500 रुपया रोज खाने का. 5 साल पहले की कर रहा हूँ बात में. ठीक है. That was my. हम लोग शाम को निकलते थे, रात को कैलकुलेट किया कि आज 20 हो गया, अभी 15 और बाकी है. रात को नींद नहीं आएगी जब तक वो 15 का बिल हाथ में नहीं आएगा. तो experience you had because of this foreign study, this thing which can be as small as during your aeroplane journey or something happened.
That is true. वहाँ पे बाहर per day payment मिलता है. So
per day.
Yes, per day payment. So that's actually a booster कि नहीं यार लीव नहीं लेनी है, वो पर डे अलाउंस कट जाएगा.
पर इंडियन भैया मैं दो घंटे एक्स्ट्रा लगा देंगे, चलेगा, तू पैसा दो.
Yeah, that is true. So मेरे summer internship के बाद I got second opportunity. So last year in October Japan भी एक program था हमारे college से जाता है. So जितने भी factory companies हैं Toyota, Denso, so ये visit करने का and then you know Japanese exchange culture उसको बोलते हैं. So वो एक 10-15 days का immersion program था. So that
कहाँ
was
पे था?
another Japan, sir,
Oh,
Japan.
Japan, you went second attention.
Yes, yeah.
That was surprise to me. Okay, you went to Japan as well. Like, very nice.
Yes.
Again from the college only.
Yes, from the college itself.
Superb यार, superb. Public
So
लगी होगी लोग कि यार यही बार जा रही है बाहर, हम साला इंडिया में बैठे रह गए. Good, yeah, that's a good experience. And that was again paid by the company, or that was student exchange program type?
sir, it was more or less an immersion program. So
Okay, superb. Very nice, very nice. Okay. All right, so we'll stop here. So thank you very much for coming on.
thank you.
So we are recording this interview almost after a gap of 1.5 years.
Yes, sir.
And I've seen a journey. Now you said V School alumni. I know your journey when we work in yoga, then we जाके क्या किया जाए, and now alumni. But problem है ये सब सोच के ना, I feel like I'm old. I'm quite old. So, but इतना old हूँ नहीं. तुमसे 2 साल की उम्र में छोटा होऊंगा बस मैं. All right, thank you, yaar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.